It comes to Gen Z and their finances, there's a lot of noise about frivolous spending, especially on things like daily lattes or avocado toast. But is that really the root of the problem? Today we're diving deep into the real financial challenges facing Gen Z, moving beyond the stereotypes and looking at the bigger picture. Let's start by understanding why this generation's money struggles are so different from those of previous generations, and why blaming coffee runs misses the mark entirely. The idea that skipping a daily latte will solve all financial woes is catchy, but it's also misleading. While small expenses can add up, the real issues go much deeper. For Gen Z, the cost of living, student debt, and stagnant wages are far more significant than the occasional coffee treat. By focusing on lattes, we risk ignoring the systemic problems that make it so hard for young people to get ahead financially. One of the biggest challenges for Gen Z is the rising cost of living. Rent, groceries, transportation, and healthcare have all become more expensive over the years, outpacing wage growth. This means that even with careful budgeting, many young people find it difficult to save or invest for the future. The reality is, it's not about small luxuries, it's about the basics becoming harder to afford. For many Gen Zers, student debt is a heavy weight on their shoulders. The cost of higher education has soared, leaving graduates with significant loans to repay. This debt can delay major life milestones like buying a home, starting a family, or even moving out on their own. It's a challenge that previous generations didn't face to the same extent, and it's reshaping how Gen Z approaches money. Despite being more educated than ever, Gen Z is entering a workforce where wages have not kept pace with inflation. Many entry-level jobs offer little more than minimum wage, making it tough to cover basic expenses, let alone save. This wage stagnation is a key reason why so many young people feel financially stuck, regardless of how carefully they manage their spending. Buying a home has become increasingly out of reach for Gen Z. Skyrocketing real estate prices, high down payments, and strict lending requirements make homeownership a distant dream for many. Renting isn't much easier, with prices climbing in most cities. This housing crunch forces many young adults to live with family longer or settle for less than ideal living situations. Healthcare is another major expense for Gen Z. Even with insurance, out-of-pocket costs for doctor visits, prescriptions, and emergencies can add up quickly. For those without coverage, a single medical issue can lead to significant debt. This financial pressure makes it harder to build savings and creates anxiety about the future. Many Gen Zers are turning to gig work and side hustles to make ends meet. While these jobs offer flexibility, they often lack benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and job security. This means that even those working multiple jobs may still struggle to achieve financial stability, highlighting the precarious nature of today's job market. Inflation affects everyone, but it hits Gen Z especially hard. As prices for everyday goods and services rise, paychecks don't stretch as far. This makes it harder to save, invest, or even cover basic needs. Inflation erodes purchasing power, making financial progress feel like an uphill battle. Another challenge is the lack of financial education. Many Gen Zers feel unprepared to manage money, invest, or plan for retirement. Schools often don't teach these essential skills, leaving young people to figure things out on their own. This knowledge gap can lead to costly mistakes and missed opportunities. Financial stress takes a toll on mental health. For Gen Z, anxiety about money is a constant companion, affecting everything from sleep to relationships. The pressure to succeed financially, combined with real economic challenges, can lead to burnout and depression. Addressing money problems means also caring for mental well-being. Social media plays a big role in shaping Gen Z's financial habits. Constant exposure to influencers and curated lifestyles can create unrealistic expectations and pressure to spend. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, can drive impulsive purchases and make it harder to stick to a budget. Side hustles have become a defining feature of Gen Z's approach to money. Whether it's freelancing, selling online, or driving for rideshare apps, many young people juggle multiple income streams. While this can boost earnings, it also means longer hours and less free time, contributing to stress and fatigue. Because of financial pressures, Gen Z is delaying traditional milestones like marriage, homeownership, and starting a family. These delays aren't just personal choices, they're often necessary responses to economic realities. This shift is changing the way society views adulthood and success. Saving money is a challenge for Gen Z. With high expenses and limited income. Setting aside funds for emergencies or future goals can feel impossible. Many young people live paycheck to paycheck, making it hard to build a financial safety net. Credit cards can be both a tool and a trap. For Gen Z, building credit is important, but high interest rates and easy access to credit can lead to debt. Without strong financial literacy, it's easy to fall into the cycle of minimum payments and mounting balances. Thinking about retirement may seem far off, but for Gen Z, starting early is crucial. Unfortunately, many don't have access to employer-sponsored plans or the extra income to contribute. This makes long-term financial security a major concern, even for those just starting their careers. Technology has transformed how Gen Z manages money. From budgeting apps to online banking, digital tools make it easier to track spending and save. However, technology also brings new risks like scams and data breaches that can threaten financial security. Gen Z is known for its entrepreneurial mindset. Many young people are starting businesses, launching online stores, or creating content for income. This drive to innovate is inspiring, but it also comes with financial risks and uncertainties that can make stability elusive. Many Gen Zers rely on family for financial support, whether it's help with rent, tuition, or emergencies. While this safety net is valuable, it can also create feelings of dependence or guilt. The need for family assistance highlights the broader economic challenges facing this generation. Income inequality is growing, and Gen Z is feeling the effects. The gap between the wealthy and everyone else continues to widen, making it harder for young people from less privileged backgrounds to catch up. This wealth gap affects access to education, housing, and opportunities. The price of college and university has soared, leaving many Gen Zers questioning whether higher education is worth the investment. Tuition, fees, and living expenses add up quickly, and the return on investment isn't always clear. This uncertainty shapes career choices and financial planning. The job market is more unpredictable than ever. Automation, outsourcing, and economic shifts mean that stable, long-term employment is harder to find. Gen Z faces frequent job changes, contract work, and the need to constantly adapt to new roles and industries. There's immense pressure on Gen Z to achieve financial success quickly. Social comparisons, family expectations, and the desire for independence all contribute to this stress. The reality, though, is that the path to financial stability is longer and more complicated than ever before. Achieving financial independence is a major goal for Gen Z, but it's not easy. High costs, debt, and job instability make it a slow process. Many young people are redefining what independence means, focusing on flexibility and resilience rather than traditional milestones. In response to financial pressures, some Gen Zers are embracing minimalism and value-driven spending. Rather than chasing material goods, they prioritize experiences, sustainability, and social impact. This shift reflects a desire to make the most of limited resources and live more intentionally. The pandemic hit Gen Z at a critical time, disrupting education, employment, and financial plans. Many lost jobs or had internships canceled, making it even harder to get started in their careers. The long-term effects of COVID-19 continue to shape Gen Z's approach to money and risk. Gen Z is deeply concerned about the environment, and this influences their financial decisions. Many choose to support sustainable brands, invest in green companies, or avoid industries they see as harmful. This focus on ethics and sustainability is reshaping the marketplace. Digital banking is second nature to Gen Z. Mobile apps, online transfers, and virtual wallets make managing money fast and convenient. However, the shift away from traditional banks also means less personal guidance and more responsibility for financial decisions. Some Gen Zers are getting a head start on investing, using apps and online platforms to buy stocks, crypto, and more. While early investing can pay off, it also comes with risks, especially for those without much experience or guidance. Debt isn't just about student loans. Credit cards, car payments, and personal loans can all add up. For Gen Z, managing multiple debts is a constant challenge, and high interest rates can make it feel like there's no way out. Breaking the debt cycle requires planning and discipline. With so much of life happening online, Gen Z is a target for financial scams. From phishing emails to fake investment opportunities, the risks are everywhere. Staying informed and cautious is essential to avoid falling victim to fraud. Budgeting is a foundational skill for financial health. For Gen Z, creating and sticking to a budget is more important than ever, given the high cost of living and unpredictable income. Digital tools can help, but discipline and consistency are key. Peer pressure doesn't end after high school. For Gen Z, seeing friends spend on travel, gadgets, or fashion can create pressure to keep up, even when it's not financially wise. Learning to set boundaries and prioritize personal goals is crucial. Many Gen Zers value experiences over possessions. Travel, concerts, and social events are seen as more meaningful than buying things. While this can lead to richer lives, it also means finding ways to balance fun with financial responsibility. Anxiety about money is widespread among Gen Z. The uncertainty of the future, combined with real financial challenges, can make it hard to feel secure. Addressing this anxiety means building knowledge, support networks, and realistic plans. Parents play a big role in shaping Gen Z's financial habits. Whether it's teaching about money, providing support, or setting expectations, family influence is strong. Open conversations about finances can help young people make better decisions. Access to credit is a double-edged sword for Gen Z. While it can help build a financial foundation, it also opens the door to debt. Understanding how credit works and using it responsibly is essential for long-term success. The sharing economy, think ride-sharing, home sharing, and co-working, offers new ways for Gen Z to earn and save. These platforms provide flexibility and access, but also come with their own risks and uncertainties. Navigating this landscape requires adaptability and caution. Setting clear financial goals is important for Gen Z, whether it's saving for a trip, paying off debt, or investing for the future. Having specific targets makes it easier to stay motivated and track progress. Goals turn vague hopes into actionable plans. Emergency funds are a financial safety net, but building one is tough for Gen Z. Unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills can derail even the best plans. Still, having some savings set aside is crucial for weathering life's surprises. It's easy to blame Gen Z's money problems on frivolous spending, but the data tells a different story. Most young people are careful with their money, prioritizing essentials and making thoughtful choices. The real issue is the economic environment, not daily indulgences. Despite the challenges, Gen Z is resilient and resourceful. Many are finding creative ways to earn, save, and invest, using technology and community support to navigate tough times. The future may be uncertain, but this generation is determined to build a better financial foundation. At the end of the day, Gen Z's money problem isn't about skipping lattes or cutting out small pleasures. It's about addressing the bigger, systemic issues that make financial stability so hard to achieve. By focusing on education, opportunity, and support, we can help this generation thrive. Gen Z's financial challenges are complex and deeply rooted in today's economic realities. It's time to move beyond blaming lattes and start addressing the real barriers to financial health. By understanding these challenges and working together, we can create a future where everyone has a fair shot at financial security.